All right, guys, let's get into this thing, guys. So I just kind of came here on site this morning. I actually did a video yesterday, and I forgot to hit the record button, so I got to make sure I'm doing the record button. I got the record button going on right here. A couple of things I'm coming in, making sure we on page should meet the homeowners here tomorrow. Guys, the one thing that I'm pretty good on is I really focus on that framing that water. Make sure that water get away from the house. Make sure we don't have no major issues on that side, guys. But I didn't get a chance to I didn't get a chance to do my video yesterday. So we just making sure that we got enough lumber to do what we got going on. I haven't had to call and request more lumber. I don't think on this job site. The only thing I've been doing is getting nails. Everything else is self-explanatory with these guys. It worked out pretty good. We still got a little ways to go, guys. We got this week and a little bit of next week to get everything kind of tightened up around here, man. I think the rooms for the most part is here. But I'm just kind of coming in, guys. And as a builder, man, you want to come in and just, I really need to clean up. I can't stand. Tell you what, I got to bring my broom over here now. I know my framers, guys. When you got good framers, they'll actually clean this thing up. But I don't, man. I'd rather do it myself, man, because I can see more things that's wrong. I can see more problems, and guys, I can have my plans here, man, and I can go room by room to make sure I'm doing my checklist too. So that's probably what I'm gonna do on Friday if I get a chance. But I think we got everything we need. It really looks good up here, man. I tell you what, man, this is I was gonna tell the dumpster. I was gonna tell that dumpster guy to see him down there. Oh yeah, there we go right there. I was gonna tell that dumpster guy, see if we can drop one off. But I think we'll do it better here because I need to be able to wash this lumber, guys. I got to wash this lumber to make sure that we're not wasting lumber. So I kind of went through that trash pile up there to make sure we're not wasting a lot of lumber in that trash pile. Make sure the things that needs to go is legitimate trash. Getting it clean where they can do all the details now. So yeah, so we got I got my plumbers and HVAC guy scheduled, and I kind of tentatively scheduled the electrician. Guys, I'd rather for my plumber to come in first, then my HVAC, then at the end of the day, I'd like my electrician to come in. Then if you got low voltage, he can come in after that. But I'm just kind of looking at everything, guys. I'm going to leave this right here off. I don't put house wrap on just yet, guys. And the reason I don't do that is because when I'm doing my punch out, I'm making sure they got the right amount of nails, guys. I don't know if you guys know this, but according to the plans and according to the code, there's a nail pattern that you got to follow. So these are things I want to see. And not only that, I don't really like for my framers to wrap my houses. I just don't like the way they wrap it. They don't wrap it as tight and pretty the way I want it to be, because it needs to be tight. The house wrap needs to be tight. House wrap is a semi-permeable membrane, and it serves a purpose, a major purpose on your house. Once again, you got to get that water away. All right, guys. Guys, if you like to see me when I come in here, and guys, I actually take this thing, this right here thing and turn it around, this camera and turn it around, and I just kind of really go in on what builders, guys. If you want to be a builder and all you want to do is side hustle and build your own house and do some of the stuff yourself, I really go in. I turn this camera around, but it's on the members channel. It only costs you $3 a month. But I turn it around and I actually really go in and tell the builders, guys, this is what you guys need to be doing. This is what you need to be looking at. And I also got some software coming out too, guys. It's called Octane. So that software will be coming out next week, actually. So we've been working on this software for 2 years. Thanks to Ashley, man. Ashley, great job on programming this stuff, man. So we got this software. Well, the software's been out for commercial, but we're trying to pull this thing into the where to accommodate residential as well. And then not only that, guys, I think for the most part, if you're in residential, you need to be operating very similar to the commercial guys. You know, we'll talk about that a little bit later, but it's coming out, and it's going to be very affordable for builders, man. It's not going to be that software like Procore, and you know it's very expensive. But this is what we're looking like, guys. I mean, we got this thing pretty much 90% frame. You guys can see this right here, bad boy. It's a really good looking house, man. I'll tell you what, man, especially from the road, it's gonna look. Come here. See if I can get it from the road, guys. You guys kind of see what we're looking like here. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger. This is what you got right here, guys. That's what it looks like. All right, guys, once again, like, share, subscribe. If you want to get more details, you go to the members channel. At the end of the day, it is what it is, and this is the way.